Hi, I'm Chef Lacy with Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today I'm with one of our buyers, Jairus, and we're gonna talk about pomegranates. How you doing? Welcome.
I'm doing good.
Good. So tell me, sort of what time of year will I find the best looking pomegranate?
In the Northern Hemisphere, we're talking September through about February.
When do I want to order the pomegranates to come into my kitchen if I'm going to feature them on my menu? Like, do I need to allow time for them to ripen, or are they ready to go?
Oh yeah, they're ripe and ready to eat. I plan on using them within the first 5 to 7 days for sure.
So where's the best place to store the pomegranates when they come in?
Well, you can store them open air if you want to. You just don't want to go any lower than 50 degrees. They don't tolerate the cold very well.
Okay, good to know.
Hey chef, I have a question for you.
What's that?
What's your favorite method of preparing a pomegranate?
Well, you think you're such a know-it-all about pomegranates? I'm gonna show you a spanking.
That's awkward.
This is what I like to call the spanking method. I take my beautiful pomegranate and I like to cut it through the equator. Here's where the spanking begins. So I squeeze it just a little bit to loosen her up, and then, look at that. They just pop right out. And they're coming out clean as a whistle.
That's so easy, even a buyer could do it.
Do you want to give it a try?
Sure. Thank you, Lacy. Is this proper spanking technique?
I think it is. Are you having fun? That's what's important.
I'm having a blast.
Well done. Look at that. Anyone can do the spanking method.
Spanks a lot, Lacy.
And that's my spanking method.